I'm giving up on the hat. It's so windy. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're at Vasquez Rocks right now. January 1st, getting outdoors. It's actually pretty peaceful here today. Usually it is very crowded. It's really pretty here, but so windy, so I instantly gave up on my hat. My in-laws are in town, and they are from Indiana, and there's not much nature out there. It's a lot of cornfields. So we decided to take them out here to Vasquez Rocks. Oh, there's a rodent over there. So pretty. Coming up this hill over here, you can see people's houses, and then more of the slanted rocks. Carlos's mom decided to go up the back way, which is the hard way, and I'm not about that life, so I'm going up the easy way. Shall we interview each other? Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
I'm probably gonna do what I did a few years ago, where I decided to not buy coffee, like from a coffee shop, unless I was traveling and I couldn't make it at home. Other than that, I gotta pick some realistic ones, not like working out 7 times a day.
7 times a day?
Yeah. What about you?
I haven't really thought about it at all. I guess learning editing more and vlogging, getting my skills up with that.
I was going to suggest maybe reading for me, because you read like 30,000 books this year, or last year.
22.
22.
I didn't do as good as the year before, 2023. I did 30.
I think I need to be more realistic in my goals, because I want to read more, but then I end up reading really dense, difficult books, and I'm too stupid. Mm-hmm. So I start reading them and I get bored. I need to read easier stuff. The place we could have never taken Mario as a kid.
Hey, would have just fallen off. haven't hiked since like October, but this is a pretty easy trail to hike if you're just starting out. Highly recommend. And you have some pretty good views. This little pond right there. It's definitely getting hard right here, all the way uphill. And Carlos just eating chocolate-covered almonds. The Vasquez Rocks looks tiny from here. And I just remembered I'm scared of heights.
It's like waves that came up and then just solidified.
Almost there.
Sun-swept, dried, and that's probably good news. That means people have gotten out of here. They've gotten out of the way of the fire to strategize how they make sure this fire does not spread.
We're getting ready to evacuate if we need to. Currently starting to pack. We have our sentimental things and some records. We can't take all of them, but the most sentimental ones. And all we need is clothes and a few kitchen things. I've been telling people all day that there's too much concrete to get to us for the fires, but now it's in Studio City, so we're getting ready.
Are they think if we do leave, I'm just gonna toss my computer in the fire as we leave so I can get a new one.
Between what we're showing you now in Studio City versus what we showed you earlier.
And now that we know it's closer, we believe, according to Dr. Ron, to Coldwater Canyon, can you give us a quick shot of that?
I can. So Runyon Canyon know about a potential evacuation order. The mandatory order has not come down just yet. And if firefighters here can get this under control, we may not see forced evacuations.
What is that dark area that we're seeing from the